start by drawing a hill, just a small hill from one side of the paper to the other. Now we're going to add 2 lines going up, not straight though, they're going in on an angle. This is going to be the bunny's body. Now we're going to draw a big oval joining those 2 lines, and that's going to be the bunny's head. Next we're going to add 2 ears. Yours can both go straight up, or you can do one floppy ear like mine. That's up to you. Now we'll do the inside of the ears. And I like to do this so it's pointy. And this one's flopped over, so it's not going to go all the way. Now I'm going to add the tail, just 3 curves on the side there. A triangle nose in the middle of the oval, and just a little straight line down. Now I'm going to add a nice big curve for the smile, and I'm going to add just 2 dots for the eyes. You can do your fancy eyes if you like. You can add an oval or eyelashes. Going to add 3 whiskers on each side, flick those out, and I'm going to add a nice curve in the middle for his tummy, and now I'm going to add some Easter eggs. You can add yours wherever you like. I'm going to have some rolling on the hill, some in the background, and the ones in the background could be smaller than the ones in the front. Your eggs can have different patterns. They can be the same as mine or different, so they can be lines or dots. Just remember, when you do your lines, if you do them curved, it makes your egg look more round. You can go straight, but if you curve it a little bit, it makes them look rounder. Now once I've finished, you can add anything you like a basket or a sun or a rainbow. You can finish off your bunny with whatever you would like to. I'm going to colour my bunny with watercolours. So I'm going to add some water, a lot of water to my brush. Remember, when you're adding colours, we want to add it quickly to the background. So a lot of water, a little bit of paint. But if you want your colours to be brighter, then you use less water and more paint. And you'll see that when I do the pink in the bunny's ears and tummy. I use less water and the pink stands out more. I'm going to leave my bunny white, so I'm going to use the background colour right up to the lines of the bunny.